Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with Ms. Pacheco. We are at the final day of our unit lesson. It is time to show what we know. We are going to create a storyboard to create a multiplication story using different images and pictures and creating multiplication equations by the images that we present in our story. Well, I will show you exactly what we're going to be doing. So, I want you to have the website ready, and I want you to go down to our part 1. It says we will create a multiplication story using Storyboard. Use the following resources below to help you log into our Storyboard class. So all the information is right here provided for you. What you're going to do first is take a note of the class passcode. We're going to click this and we're going to go directly to Storyboard. You're going to click sign in. Actually, nope, we're not going to click sign in. I said that because I have an account. You don't have an account yet. You have to create one. So we're going to get sign up and you're going to say that you're a student. Okay. So here you're going to create a username and password. Anything you can remember that's easy friendly. So I'm going to say, for example, I'm going to create blue, red, green lady. Just something easy peasy. It doesn't need to be this long. You could say smiley, 1, 2, 3, or applesauce, whichever comes to mind. Something easy that you can remember. And then you're going to create a password between 6 to 60 characters, which I'm pretty sure you won't need 60. So just use the 6 so you can remember. I like to use all numbers so that way it's easy for me to remember. So I'm going to create the account. Ignore that. And then I'm going to enter the class passcode. I don't quite remember that, so I'm going to just go back to our site. And the passcode is 6YYQB. I'm going to go here, 6YYQB. And you're going to click Join Class. What happened? 6YYQB. Why doesn't it work? Oh, I get it. Lesson learned. Be careful what you put in. 6YYQB. And then I'm going to try again. And here we are. I'm in the class. Now, I already started a book in this class that you can check out. But let's say you're going to create, this is from an example I did. I will show you it in a little bit. But for now, I want you to go to Create. And over here, you're going to see lots of pictures. So it says Storyboard starts with images first. Choose an image to inspire your story and click the lightning bolt to start. Okay, so let's see the series that they have. They have tons of images. Just try to, as you're going through it, just think about what you can use for equal groups. This one's interesting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish. I know fish has 2 eyes. That would be good for a multiplication problem. Let's see. You could choose any design that you want, and there's going to be more within. just choose something that you might find be interested in. This one looks really interesting. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 princesses. Each princess has 2 legs. Just to give you some examples there. There are so many images to use for you to choose from. And let's choose one for now, just to get started. I like this one. All right, so, and over here in this section, you're going to have a couple of examples of the pictures that are already in that story. Anytime you want to go back, just click the back icon for your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and say, use this art. And we're going to do a picture book. So I went ahead and started making my story because I knew it was going to take a little long. We'll start some of my story. So here's my cover of my book. I'm going to have to give it a title. Hold on. Let me go back. Okay, so when you see right here, you're going to see the cover. Every book that you make is going to need a title, and this is where you're going to put the title. I'm going to put The 4 Friends. And that's that. And I'm going to click right here. I'm going to show you so far what I have. I have, once upon a time, there were 4 friends. Each friend has 2 ears. The friends were going for a walk in the park. Then I saw this slide and I said, this one's interesting. The friends spotted a jaguar coming after them. The jaguar had 4 legs and 7 spots on each leg. Now, this jaguar does not technically have, doesn't actually have 7 spots. I'm just giving a story here. I'm just presenting a multiplication situation to match my picture. Now, it doesn't need to be exact. So I know, don't go counting to see if there's 7 legs on each, 7 spots on each leg, because I'm pretty sure there isn't. Okay, so I have this other picture that I selected from the side, and I said, the friends offered the jaguar a salad. Thanks, said the jaguar. And then I wanted to bring in this one. I'm going to say, next, I'm going to say Mono the monkey came with some bananas to share. And then I'm going to use this as my last one. Now, even though I don't actually see bananas, I'm still going to add that they shared the bananas, let's say. So let's say there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 friends now. So I'm going to say the 6 friends ate the delicious bananas. Everyone ate 2 bananas each. I'm just going to say everyone ate 2 bananas. Then they played in the park and had a great time. So, okay, oopsies, yeah, had a great time. All right, now here's my story. I know it's pretty simple. That's exactly what I want you to do. I don't want you to use too many slides. Try not to make it so long, friends, because sometimes even just coming up with ideas in our head can take quite a while. So try to keep it somewhere between 5 to 6 slides if you can. Don't take don't put too much time into putting all these pictures and you don't come up with your 3 multiplication situations. I was able to do it in less than 5 slides, well, in 5 slides. So you want to recap what I just did? So here's my story, the 4 friends. Well, I can probably extend it and say the 4 friends became 6. So you can always go back into the slide and make any changes that you want. So once upon a time, there were 4 friends. Each friend has 2 ears. The friends were going for a walk in the park. The friends, oopsies, grammar, always check your grammar. The friends spotted a jaguar coming after them. The jaguar had 4 legs and 7 spots on each leg. Always good to go back and reread. The friends offered the jaguar a salad. Thanks, said the jaguar. Next, Moto the monkey came to share some bananas. The 6 friends ate the delicious bananas, and everyone ate 2 bananas. Or you could say each person ate 2 bananas. Then they played in the park and had a great time. Simple, easy peasy. So I'm going to save and exit, and it's going to tell me you're not quite finished. But let's see. So what you could do, it says you're not quite finished. Your story is only visible to you. If you're not finished, you just you can just save it, or just leave it like this, and you can come back to it. Other than that, you can publish. And I'm gonna publish my story, and then it's gonna be there for you to see it. Now, no one else would be able to see it, only those who are in the class. So let me go to the, let's see, to go to the class, you need to go to you, and then go to class, and then you can see your story right there with the other class. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you have enough information to get started. If you have any questions, you can always email me. Everything is pretty much set out for you to easily maneuver through your stuff. Once you actually have your information, you can just, like I said, click create. You choose one, any kind you want. This one looks awesome. You choose use art. You choose what kind of book. A multi-page book. That's what we're doing, the picture multi-tape. And then you can choose all the different arts. You save, you exit. Let me just pretend that I'm saving and exiting. And you always have to make sure, always before you save and exit, it's going to make sure you have a title. So the story. I'm just making up a story here. I'm saving, I'm exiting. If you're not quite finished, that's fine. If you want to delete your story and just start all over, that's fine as well. But once you are satisfied and done and ready to share with the rest of us, all you have to do is click publish and it will be ready for you. Okay? I can't wait to see all your creative stories.